So our heart gives off more energy, electricity, magnetism than the brain, than any other part of the body. And so it's our heart, when we go in and we need to know an answer, what do I do about this? You know, we go to the heart to find our truth. What's our highest truth? And from the heart, the communication goes to the brain, and then we take action. What gets a little out of balance is when we think the brain always knows what to do, you know, like the logical brain. So the more we can drop into an awareness of this space, this will serve us well. It will connect us to our intuition. And any moment that you take time in your day to check in with your heart, am I being kind to myself? Am I being compassionate? Oh, I didn't do that the way I wish I would have. Or, you know, can we just offer this self-forgiveness? From there, then it can more, you know, flow out of us to others, right? We can offer that compassion, but we can offer something we don't know within ourselves deeply. And this is all about the heart chakra. It's learning self-compassion, connecting us to our highest truth. So I'm going to show you an acupressure point on your body for you to access your heart energy, your heart meridian, anytime throughout the day. This point is located, if you take your right 2-piece fingers and open your left hand just so you can see it. You're going to go and find your pinky finger on the inside of the hand. You're just going to travel down and find the inside of your wrist. Inside of the wrist, and then there's a bone and a tendon right in here. We're just going to hold. And when we hold with acupressure points, and then you can just relax, you know, I'm just holding. When we access the river through these acupressure points, we can move energy simply by touching. We could massage it if we wanted to. We don't have to hold really hard. We're just making connection. So just feel into this point and breathe. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it, or why you could use it, how it's helpful. This is heart 7. And when we hold here and breathe, we can go here when we're feeling anxiety, when we can't get to sleep, or we wake up in the middle of the night and we can't get back to sleep. We hold this point. We hold this point anytime we feel like we don't know what our heart's truth is. We need to go inside and check in, so we can hold this point. And so you just hold here and breathe for, 2 to 3 minutes. It's really an intuitive, like, I'm feeling better. This is good. I can stop. And, if you can do both sides, that's ideal. If you only have time to do one side, it will still work. You can go over to the other side if you'd like. Do the other arm. Just take a few breaths and see if you notice anything. This is heart 7. When we're looking to help our heart to heal, we have to go through the lungs, because if we had to have surgery and they had to take out our lungs, our heart would be with our lungs, like it's all one unit. And the lungs are here to protect the heart. So if we want to feel like our heart is healing from something that's happened in our life, we go through the lungs and we help to release grief. And so now I'm going to show you 2 points that you can hold to help you move that. And that might mean it helps you to cry. Maybe you don't cry, but you just feel it release. So you're just going to cross your arms and place your fingers right inside. Gotta remember here, we go. Just right in this like upper corner of the chest is lung 1. And so if you place your hand there, you'll hit lung 1. You don't need to know the exact location. You're there. And you can breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. And you can massage these points. I do that a lot, or I'll massage for a little bit and then I'll just hold them. Using the exhale out the mouth helps to move energy. And so you can set your intention, because intention always feeds the movement of energy. All right. And so the intention is I release grief from my lungs now. And I can breathe and massage. Exhale out the mouth. I also can use a sound. And this sound is the sound of S. You're saying the word snake. And you can do that 3 times with the exhale. Imagining, feeling grief being released. Sometimes this activates my ability to cry if it's like stuck. And just feeling that release. And then I just bring my hands together over my heart and I breathe in light into my lungs, and I bring in the energy of peace. So peace, maybe that resonates for you, or acceptance, trust, faith. Just go with what resonates, and then breathe that into your lungs for a few breaths. Smile at your lungs.